break it down one more time, so you can stand on higher ground. Let me make it clear, so you can hear how to make it right, to fight the good fight, and in faith be strong, that you can't go wrong. Let me break it down. I have more to say.